Here I am again. I'm going to put this down so you can watch my little painting. Whoop. So right here. What's it? That's pretty good right there. This is the one I just did. I don't know if you remember, I did something very similar to this, but on a bigger scale. I love these little box canvas. I think cute. My bird's got babies. It's up in the treetops all night long. Okay. So I'm going to start another one. So this time I'm going to start with the nest first. I think that's what I did last time. But I want to put some color on this first. I'm going to color this whole canvas. Just over here where the bird's nest is going to be. Up with that right there. And I'm going to put a little blue and white. Up here, maybe the sky is over there. A little white. I like to do lots and lots of layers. Lots and lots of layers. Get them right on there. And then I'm going to do a little down in here some more. I'm going to darken this up in this corner. Darken this corner up. I'll get a little water on this. I'm going to spread these around a little bit. Lots and lots of layers. I'm going to speed this up a little bit here. I don't want to work on a totally white canvas. Sometimes it's just kind of distracting, actually. Makes you bug-eyed. Alright. I'm kind of scrubbing some color here. There we go. Now that looks fun. Oh, done! Alright, I'm going to make the middle of this little nest right here. This will be right where the eggs are going to go. Make this darker here. Good. And I want some branches. I want branches. Nope. Whoops. Whoopsie. Let's see here.
Let's talk about the where, when, and how. Where?
Okay, we're going to start doing the. Let me just do this little brown. Mix together this little mustard brown and this chocolate brown together. I'm going to kind of start making some little pieces of grass and whatnot that the birds would put in here. Might even do a little green in there with that brown. They would definitely be in there. Kind of an avocado brown there. You start out darker and you get lighter and lighter. It's not something I normally would teach in a class, but I have thought about maybe the lady that I'm actually doing classes with or learning a lot from her, Amanda Hilburn. She teaches this. I thought, oh, maybe I could teach this. She does a little brush. She likes to play around like I do. She'll mess around with watercolors, and really a great lady. So I thought maybe at some point, maybe, I don't know, if anybody's interested, just kind of let me know if you think you'd be interested in learning once a week, or she does where you pay by the month, and she does all different things. You can just click in and watch her live, or you can she has pre-recorded videos like this, and teaches all different things for different levels. She's been doing it a long time. She's really clever. This is just a little technique. I like it because I have a tendency to be a little too neat with the pictures, so been painting a long time, and you know, I don't really like realism. I like things that are a little bit messy. So this works for me. I've done it for a long time too, but just off and on. And I was watching her stuff, I think like last year or something. I started seeing her a year before maybe, and I was like, look at her. And I really liked what she was doing, so I've been kind of following her and seeing what she's doing, and some other artists that are working with a palette knife. I find it fascinating. So I've been doing a lot more of it than I normally would. Okay, there's a little darker spots here. I think I will put another branch over here. Let's do like.
Walk her to her door, take her by the hand, and tell her that you've had wonderful times together, and those are memories you will always cherish. You know,
Let's kind of get a branch going here.
hiking in Catalina,
And a little brightness over in this corner. Look at some seeing down onto the lawn there. A little green maybe, just a touch.
Tricks on us. It only remembers the good times. Or in your case, the creepy, pathetic times. But I still don't worry, Alan. There'll be other broads to share your bratwurst with. You're right, I have to do this. Wait, what if she starts crying?
These are really impressionistic, which I love impressionism, which I do some.
Turn around and walk away like a man. Unless you hear a distinct
I just don't want to be stressed out when I'm painting, have everything perfect. Some people are really good at that, and I'm like, kudos to them, because that makes me insane. And I like to paint fast. Like I used to follow Bob Ross. He does oils. I did oils for a long time, but that's another thing where you gotta, you know, I like the painting fast, the alla prima, that's what they call it. And I don't like to stick on anything too long, so I would put a painting away, and I may or may not get to it. You know, you gotta wait for it to dry. And of course now I'm been using these different types of oils that are water, no solvents, just water based. And they don't dry as quick, but be a little bit quicker. And they got stuff you can get now to kind of speed it up a little bit. But I just don't have a lot of patience. So the masters would take years to do stuff. But I think when our acrylics came out, people really kind of like could speed up their work, you know. And it made it nice. A little bloom right up over in this corner, a little bit more, I think. A little more sky over in here. So I'm going to be doing painting classes. I'm going to be doing some different things. I'm going to be selling these little kits for this COVID. And I'm going to do some fun stuff. I got this little snowman going. I'm looking at another one. I haven't really decided. There's this really cute truck with a Christmas tree in it that they've been doing. There's some farmhouses. Kind of want to keep it a Christmas theme right now because there's not much left. There's only a few weeks. A few weeks. It'll be over. Okay, so let's put a little green over in this area too. I think there'd be like some little green over here. On the end of these leaves a little bit. I think in the original one I actually did some roses. Kind of roses had grown up in a bush up through the tree, which should be really cool. I did that with my first one like this. Let's do the deep red. Let's just do a few roses here and there, just for fun. I love my roses. Let's do one over here. I do the middle kind of really dark first, and then I lightened it up and make it kind of messy. Let's do one right here. Right here.
What's crunching? Simply unwrap crunch and eat crunch. 100% milk chocolate and crispy rice. Anyone can do it. Even anyone. Learn crunching today.
Found what you were looking for?
Here we go.
Cute. Cute little roses. Maybe a little bigger, I think. We can see this. What I'm doing. You gotta be perfect. That's the name of the game here. Might do a few more right here in the dark. Oh, it's a little darker area here. Sun isn't hitting right here, I don't think.
This movie is a classic.
It's been 40 minutes and we haven't even seen the shark yet.
One right here.
You use your imagination.
Maybe a little,
You know what I'm imagining?
just a touch of orange in this.
I'll tell you what's
And then I'll do some white.
snakes on a plane. Because first of all, you're in an airplane, which is scary.
You can hear my husband, he's out there watching TV. You can hear Rick. He loves his 3.5 Men. You don't like 3.5 Men, they're funny. Okay, I need some darkness around this little edge here. Alright, let's say we need a little foliage here and there. Let's do some foliage. Yeah, a little foliage here and there.
Someplace public where killing you would get me in trouble.
Oops, a little too much on there. It's too much. Let's define that branch a little bit. There it is. Yeah. We need a few more. There's something there. I'm gonna put. Let's put some little eggs right in there. Let's do some blue and some white. Kind of just make them a little marbly. Little egg there. Little egg here. There we go. Let's put little dots of this red, kind of give some color here and there, like there might be a little rose here, a little rose there, little guys kind of poking out, maybe little baby roses, you know, just those little rose buds. Not quite roses yet. Kind of around here and there.
There's something we really need to talk about. What's that? Well, I was wondering.
And then there's got to be a bird watching all this stuff, right? Where's the mama? Who's the mama? We got to put a mama in here somewhere.
I kind of feel like we're getting a little stale.
Really? I thought it was going great.
So, we kind of fill this in a little bit here first.
Going through the motions.
Well, now hold on. Those motions
A
are
little background here.
Whatever you want. Tried and true, dull and listless.
I want to call it tried and true.
All I know is every time we get in bed, it's the same old thing.
But the same old thing? What about the mask and cape?
It was the same old thing in a mask and cape. Please don't take it personally.
Oh, no. How could I possibly take it personally? You're just telling me I'm a lousy leg.
No, I didn't mean lousy. I meant uninspired, lackluster, predictable.
Okay.
Tedious, mind-numbing, boring.
Okay. Okay, so let's just do a little bird here. Let's give him some orange feet and then we'll know right where he is. Yeah, give him orange and maybe a little of that yellow ochre there. Mix them up a little bit. Put a little blue in there, that's okay. Let's put his, make him kind of a tall bird. Give him some legs. Let's see. Give him a little body here.
He wasn't a hoagie, he was a calzone.
kid with such lousy taste in pizza and movies have such good taste in girls?
She's kind of cute.
Why don't you go talk to her?
I don't know what to say.
What's never stopped you from running your mouth before?
What about her
Kind of
mom?
make up my own birds as I go.
No, I know what you mean.
Tell you what, I'll be your wingman. I'll go over and engage the mom in conversation. Then, after I grease the wheels, I'll give you a signal. You saunter over and work your magic.
Saunter?
Walk.
Well, then just say walk. You don't have to make up words. Wait, what's the signal?
I don't know, I'll give you a thumbs up.
Kind of tedious work here, but
All right, how about I just wave my
I
arms?
like doing it.
Let's go with the thumb.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I'm sorry to interrupt your dinner, but I'm sitting over there with my nephew.
Now?
No, not now. Dumbass.
Now?
No.
Kind of give him a little,
Anyway, he's taking a little bit of a shine to your daughter.
kind of have a little abstract look here, so let's make him a little bit bigger, I think. Let's do some black to darken him up so we know where he is.
Our one-on-one time.
I understand, and you should have that. We're only talking a couple of minutes here. It's enough time to put a smile on a young boy's face.
Now?
No.
Look, I appreciate you coming over, but I think we'll pass.
Fine. Sorry to bother you.
Real smooth.
All right, you really got it.
So we're just going to kind of have her sitting there. How about that?
And I am here with my nephew. Let's face it, they'd rather be sitting and talking to each other than hanging out with a couple of old farts like us.
What do you call her?
No,
Right.
us. I was being funny.
I don't think you're funny at all.
Well, clearly, you don't know me. I'm Charlie.
Yes, well, Charlie, I've asked you to leave us alone.
I understand, and I will.
Honey, get me a refill.
Go, dumbass.
Make him a little bigger.
Now?
Yes, now. My brother's kid's not real.
I warned you.
It's worse than the potpourri.
I see you like a Diet Cola. If I may say so, you don't need to watch your weight. Here you go, clean and dry.
Thank you.
Are you alright?
Oh, yeah, little Autumn's fine. The twins got the worst of it.
Okay.
Listen, you were right.
Lots and lots of layers.
Over.
Well, what else is there to do besides call it quits?
Well, I thought maybe we could take it to the next level.
Next level? What's beyond mind-numbing, tedious, and boring? I'll tell you what's beyond it. Death. No, thank you. I've already been married.
But
I'm
Alan,
sorry, but it's time to face the truth. I have no romantic feelings for her anymore.
none?
None at all. Oh, come on, Tanya. Crying doesn't solve anything. But believe me, it's better to end this now while we're still friends.
It's pretty good. Let it dry a little bit. I think, and maybe fix that bird a little bit. What I'm going to do is, sometimes I let it dry and go over it, but the bird needs a little work, but I think he's okay. I think he's pretty good. Can you see him? Oops. I'm going to have kind of a match set here. Then what I did on the sides was I kind of mimicked close to what I had for color on the sides. Give a very interesting look.
You must be Alan.
Yes.
Okay, and I just work it around till I, let me see this. So I get kind of a abstract look. Different colors in there. Kind of matched up as best I can. There's even a little pink in there. I'll kind of put a few dabs like the tree's gone over the side here. Maybe do a few branches on this. Ooh, on the branches on the side here.
Now hang on.
You get the idea. See, I did this one. You kind of can see, like I did the right over the edges, the light and the branches, the grass. Pretty cool. All right, so that's it for tonight. Thanks with keeping me company while I did my paintings. I'll see you guys on the web. All right, goodbye, good night. Let's get this off. There we go. Good night.